Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Yellow color, black color, red color, green color, and the last one is blue color. Kids, first we draw the letter of A, and now we use the color of yellow. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. We again use yellow color and now we draw C. C for cow, C for cat. Kids, now we draw the letter of D. D for dog, D for doll. And the next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. Now we draw the letter of F. F for fish, F for fan. And the next one is G. G for goat. Kids, now we use the color of black. Now we use the color of black. And kids, now we draw the letter of H. H for hand. Now we draw H. And the next one is I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Now we draw the letter of J. J for jackfruit. We again use black color and now we draw K. K for kite. Now we draw L. L for lemon. And the next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. We again use black color and now we draw the letter of N. N for nose. And the next one is O. O for octopus. Kids, now we draw P. P for penguin. Now we use the color of red and draw Q. Kids, now we use the color of red. Red color, red color. Now we draw the letter of Q. The next one is R. R for rice. We again use red color and now we draw S. S for sun, S for snake. The next one is T. T for tiger. Kids, now we draw U. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van. Kids, now we use the color of green. Green color, green color. And now we draw V. V for van. We again use green color. And the next one is W. W for wolf. The next one is X. X for X-ray. The letter of X. And the next one is Y. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.